Well, you see, the way I look at things is that this whole concept of digital life, which is basically it's all the services that you provide to a user that they use in an online environment. And if you look at what Yahoo provides and where Yahoo is strong, Yahoo has a huge gap in social networking and microblogging, and that's exactly where Tumblr could fit within its portfolio of assets to provide internet services to users and therefore monetize the traffic that they generate.
Because at the moment, Richard, you believe that actually it's not really monetized correctly, so revenues look pretty punchy, but they can do much more with it.
Yeah, I think that's the case. I mean, if you look at the strategy that Tumblr has pursued over the last couple of years or so, what you'll really see is that they've really focused on users, they've really focused on trying to make it as good as possible, and they haven't worried too much about monetization until this point in time. And again, you know, the user stats are pretty big. You know, looking at it, there's probably around about 184 million users. It had something around 12 billion page views just last month, and so you can see that there's a lot of traffic that is there ready to be monetized. And so I think that revenue number of 100 million this year, certainly if one changed the strategy and looked a bit more at monetizing that could be significantly higher.
Richard, what exactly is Yahoo buying? I mean, are they buying, you know, it's social networking? Is this what they need, or is it the fact that actually a lot of the usage of this application, Tumblr, will be on mobile?
Well, I think they're buying a range of different things. I mean, the first thing, of course, is 184 million users, which is more than Yahoo has. Secondly, the pieces are there to turn Tumblr into arguably, you know, quite a good competitor to Facebook. And then, of course, you have got the mobile piece on top of that. Tumblr's been doing quite well in mobile recently, and if I look at Yahoo, one of the things that troubles me about Yahoo is nice set of assets, but getting people using it on mobile phones, not doing quite so well.
I mean, Yahoo has a pretty difficult history with acquisitions. Is this one going to be different just because Marissa Mayer's in charge?
Difficult to tell. I mean, if you look at, you know, things like Flickr, GeoCities, if you look back 10 years or so, they haven't gone well at all. But, you know, things are different at Yahoo. You know, when I speak to people at Yahoo, you can feel it in that the culture has changed a little bit. There's much more of a positive attitude, an entrepreneurial attitude within the company. So hopefully they'll actually do something right with this one.